as an input for this next demo. So based off, depending on what you're doing, optimization or any interpretation, you'll have the need to basically go from simplified back to detailed again. And creating lofted surfaces is one of those kind of key model reconstruction enablers. So this was probably sped up at a factor of, let's say, 2 to 3 times, but very quickly, you can, using the auto tangency, you can create these joints and then the members very, very quickly. So using the guides with the ruled surfaces, you can create these surfaces. Obviously, you then put the mesh on, you can then connect it and then reconstruct the detailed model. So this capability is currently available already today, but under the theme of concept and optimization, I wanted to just highlight this again. So very quickly, I mean, this probably took in real time maybe 5 minutes to get to that point there. So very quickly, you can do any interpretation and get to that point. All right, so we're just going to look at the geometry reconstruction. Now, I'm not going to go through all of this, but I just wanted to show you how quickly and easy it is to actually generate the surface data. All right, so there are some elements in here right now. I'm just going to go through and delete all those for now, so I don't need them. But if we just focus on the joint area around here and then this member. Under geometry here, you could go through and actually link all these lines together. That's probably a good first step. So by combining each of these different segments to really create one line per part would probably be something that you can do, and creating or picking by the line list is very, very easy now. But the next thing I wanted to show you is just the basic line creation. So I'm just going to create from the end here. So I don't need to zoom in a lot now in HyperWorks to pick the end. The end of that profile, I can just click, and it gives me the cue that I'm in the correct pick zone. And then by clicking on that third icon in the dialog there, I can now just simply drag, and I can get the ordered tangency to pretty much where I need, and then I can create that line. So if I do the same for this this location here and here. So I'm not going to go through all of this in a lot more detail, but I just wanted to just give you that cue, that feedback as to how you would actually go about doing that today. So it's very, very quick, and then from that, you'd then just go to ruled, and you would literally just pick line A and line B. Oh, come on, there you go. And then just click on create. Now, obviously, I'm not going to go through and spend the time reconstructing this whole joint, but it's very, very easy now to go through and then create the members as well directly from that, and then you can organize those into different parts and things like that. Obviously, remesh, apply the connectors, and then build out your detailed representation. Also, if you wanted to swap out a portion of a model with a new section, you could then reconstruct the geometry and then kind of splice that back into a model as well if you needed to. So there's a lot of capabilities here now for doing these kind of design changes.